So smart TVs have really grown over the past 5 years. We've seen the number of installed sets go up by 31% actually over the past 5 years. In our survey, 52% of our respondents actually said that they had at least one smart TV in the home, with 40% of those people actually saying that this was they regularly use the smart TV's built-in applications for consuming content. This varied market to market. YouTube was popular across the board, but we also saw services such as iPlayer and Netflix popping up. So the local contenders are there side by side with the international players in the market. As well as 40% actually using them generally, we had 25% of respondents actually saying that this was their first choice device. That actually puts the applications on a smart TV right up there next to the traditional set-top box as one of the preferred ways to consume content in the household.